Hi, I'm Lisa Mancos. I work at Mack Trucks. I'm really proud of this truck and all the trucks we build at Mack Trucks. Would you guys like to come and see our plant?
Yeah!
There you go.
What do you know about Mack Trucks?
Every Mack truck built for the North American market gets its start at the company's manufacturing facility in Macungie, Pennsylvania.
Mack Trucks was founded in 1900 and is now one of the leading truck manufacturers. Let's go see what drives these people to be Mack proud.
Father worked at Mack Trucks for 30 years. I have two brothers I followed with in the cars.
I had a background in equipment and technology and knew I wanted to do something challenging.
For me, it was learning about supply chain and how parts move all over the world and all over inside a manufacturing facility.
Growing up, I was always that kid that would take apart the pen and was always curious as to how things are made, what makes something work. So coming to a manufacturing facility, you really get to see how a truck is put together.
I don't like my job. I love my job because I love Mack Trucks. My product is out on the road, and when I'm driving by, I know I had a part of that.
The automotive industry and getting to make things with engineering is just a ton of fun.
I'm proud of this job because it is up to me to make good decisions, up to focus the resources we have to ensure that we build the best product possible.
Being part of the whole process to make something is exciting for me.
I get to connect with a bunch of people from different disciplines. I work with engineers, the operators on the shop floor, people doing business, and getting to build a quality product that everyone is really proud of. It just fuels your curiosity.
Everything that you see or everything that's in your life has been made somewhere.
We're designing how it all works and how it all comes together.
I think manufacturing is forever growing, and there's always a challenge to make things better.
It's what's taking over now.
I think manufacturing is a great path for kids, especially. There's a lot that you can do within manufacturing.
I'm Eric Burlingame, and I'm Mack proud.
My name is Richard Flores, and I'm Mack proud.
My name is Carolina O'Connor, and I'm Mack proud.
My name is Mario Cisneros, and I am Mack proud.
I am Megan McGovern, and I am Mack proud.
My name is Eddie Tejeda Jr., and I'm Mack proud.
I'm Lisa Mancos, and I'm Mack proud.
For more information, visit whatsocool.org.